Hello everyone, my name is Roy. Welcome to my channel RoysArtyCrafty. So in this video, we'll be using Bengali Banjonborno and we'll try to do some calligraphy with the help of Pilot parallel pens. So let's start the video. In this example, we'll be writing on a plain paper or a white paper, but we'll be using some guidelines to get the size or height of the letter. So 2 lines will be written in pencil, and let's see how we can do that. And this video is for beginners and for the ones who want to write in style. So here Banjonborno of Bengali has been tried and one of the styles has been used or tried. So let's see. The letters are written in a vertical way and no guidelines have been used to make it straight. The same practice can be done on a graph paper or on a 2 lines paper, but here I have tried on a plain paper and with 2 guidelines. In this current example, I am using 3.8 mm pen nib, and in the next example I'll be using smaller nibs. So let's see. So in this example I'll be using 2.4 mm pen nib size and I'll be writing some of the letters of Banjonborno. So in the same style which I have tried in the last example. So let's see. So in this example we'll be using Calligraphy in 2-3 examples. We'll try to use variations because this letter has 2 circular structure. So let's see how we can write in a different forms. In this example, we'll be using a pen nib size of 6 mm and we'll try to write some letters which are having same structure. So here we'll be writing 4 letters of Banjonborno and let's see how we can write. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.